Welcome to Aconex. You probably wondering, what is Aconex things? I invited to new project and between information in organization drawings, documents, attendance with lack of communication managers, etc. Aconex is online system that everyone in project to use communication review communication make easier. So how is that help you? Well, you spend less time searching because everything is there. And when you send something and certain retrieve instantly regardless of common every organization is treated exactly now organization has special access. Just like in real world your document and you can be comfort nobody inside in your organization can access your information unless you want it to be use it. Whenever you log in first thing you see type of dashboard of your action. Easy to see your documents. Aconex key area task, documents, mail directory, setup. Task page shows the major items such as mail and documents. Documents is a file typically revised during the project drawing, manuals, specifications, along with all organization project documents. Mail bar has all projects document stores such as RFI and site instruction. Directory bar has list everyone in the project. All the project's documents are placed in your organization documents register as automatically as you receive other project. All participants upload by you or your colleague in your organization register, then you can find within second documents. And make sure everyone working latest revision on drawing or documents when you upload your documents you can supersede in your register and you can upload everywhere. Now, looking managing typically project like request for information fees. Managing fees be a pen for process way of waste of time chasing people for response. Aconex mail you have responsibility of feeds and have whole conversation in mail. Kindly subscribe and like and share. Try to collection good tutorial video in order for more learning.